Other new arrivals, the 1956 Ford Customline Victoria two-door hardtop. This is Berkshire Green and Colonial White over medium green and light green.
Mm-hmm, yeah.
What a name. Garage kept, multiple show wins, great restoration. Got the 292 cubic inch V8 with a Ford-O-Matic tranny. And this thing screams 1950s.
Yeah.
I mean, that Berkshire Green and Colonial White is a great color, not unlike the Roman red and the other color combinations that we see. And that 2 shades of green interior is really funny to look at because, in this day and age, you don't see that quite as much.
You don't see green. You see a lot of black.
You see a lot of black,
charcoal.
A lot of charcoal. I mean, you see white a lot, which I think,
gray, white, occasionally red, but colors are just not part of the palette, really.
What about keeping a white interior clean?
Yeah, exactly.
My goodness, that's tough. I mean,
it would be. And some of these 50s cars that have white interiors are pristine. It's amazing
how they have kept them that well. And of course, white kind of goes with any color. So, except if you're Mac's father-in-law, who actually bought a suit so ugly one time that even a white shirt wouldn't go with it. That's pretty ugly. But white pretty much is a nice palette for anything, whether it's a wall in your house or a car color or an interior color or whatever, because it kind of any exterior color goes with it. And I love the General Motors white back in the day, which was called parchment, which is almost like an opalescent, whitish, pearlish color. It's really a cool color.
Yeah.
And it's hard, I don't know if it's hard to replicate. You see a lot that don't get it right, that replace that interior with something that's just kind of pure white.